I'm back in Moraine Hills State Park. Good morning. Rain all day and I'm using opportunity to paint under the roof and local shelter. Frankly speaking, I do like the rain long as I keep myself dry. Atmosphere of the surrounding and the colors, the contrast is just fantastic. The camera photos don't do the justice what you can experience being live right over here. So I'm painting and I hope you enjoy this type of the painting rainy day in Moraine Hills State Park. Thank you for watching.